Bridge. This is engine room. Fire. In the engine room.
Engine room, this is a bridge, Roger. Stand by, I will inform the master. Captain, fire reported in the engine room.
Proceed with the firefighting immediately.
Bridge. This is engine room. Fire cannot be controlled. Fire is turning.
Captain, fire cannot be controlled.
Prepare to abandon ship. Shipmate, broadcast distress message immediately.
Mayday. This is MVC Horizon. Call sign Delta, Umbrella, X-ray, Zulu. Mayday. Our position is 14 degree and 35 minutes north. 120 degree and 58 minutes east. Fire on board, fire cannot be controlled. We are abandoning ship, required immediately assistance, number of persons on board, 25 over.
Abandon ship. All crew proceed to lifeboat station.
Alarm activated in steering console.
Engine room. This is bridge. Steering gear not working. What is the situation?
Bridge. This is engine room. Both steering motors are broken. Recommend operate immediately.
OOW. Broadcast urgency message. Warning all vessels in the vicinity to give way.
Pan. All station. This is MBC Horizon. Call sign Delta, Umbrella, X-ray, Zulu. Steering payload, vessel nav, under command. Our position is 14 degrees 40 minutes north. 121 degrees 00 minutes east. Request vessels in vicinity to keep clear over.
Bridge. This is a forecastle. Floating container sighted 2 points starboard bow.
Roger. Checking radar and binoculars. Captain, floating containers confirmed.
Take the position and broadcast a safety message on channel 12.
Security. All stations. This is MVC Horizon. Call sign Delta, Umbrella, X-ray, Zulu. Floating container reported at position 14 degrees 42 minutes north, 121 degrees 05 minutes east. Vessels are advised to navigate with caution. Over.